future of food is plants.
It's time to start not trying to be neutral, but to be climate positive. How can we create more good, not just do less bad?
People have their own voice. People working in the working class and being able to get sustainable wages.
Future of food is local.
So local.
Every single place should be producing food.
Better quality products, not all laden with preservatives.
It's cleaner food, food that you can understand, and food that you can easily read on a label.
In a country so overfed and so undernourished, we want to be the opposite of that.
What you eat becomes you, but how you eat also affects the planet as a whole.
Sheer innovation, not being afraid to say or try any ingredients.
We are hardwired to try anything.
When we look forward to future sustainability, sometimes it's good for us to look backwards. Anything from bugs to ancient practices, all these things can be applied today.
Our focus and our goal is, what is the next generation? What are we leaving for them?
Our job is to reduce food insecurity and create an environment where there is zero food waste. That is the future of food.